Do new cars need detailing? And how is detailing a new car different from detailing a used one? Good questions. Let me answer them. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Now, do new cars need detailing? The short answer is yes, but not for the reasons you might think. Your new car's paintwork is actually vulnerable. It has no protection beyond the factory clear coat. And despite what dealers might say, dealer prep as such isn't professional detailing. It's often a quick machine wash that leaves swirl marks absolutely all over the car. Now, what a new car needs for a brand new vehicle, I'd personally recommend an inspection for transport damage, dealer wash swirls, and compound marks on the paintwork. Light paint correction if needed on the vehicle. Now, for paint protection, ceramic coating or at a bare minimum, a good sealant on the vehicle. This protects your investment from day one. Much easier than correcting years of damage later. Now, what used cars normally need? Used cars have typically accumulated over time swirl marks from years of poor washing, scratches and stone chips from driving, oxidization, and dullness. Interior wear and stains. Before any protection, you need correction. A used car detail usually starts with paint correction to restore the finish of the paintwork, then applying protection after. Now, what's the cost difference? New car detailing, mainly protection focused, is a lower cost because paint is usually in good condition. Expect anywhere between £300 and £600 for a ceramic coat on a new vehicle. Used car detailing, correction plus protection, higher cost because of the prep work involved. Expect to pay £500 to £1,000 for correction and ceramic coating. Now, our recommendation, if you are buying a new car, get it ceramic coated before you drive it daily. You'll keep it looking new for years. And if you're buying used, invest in paint correction and a ceramic coating. You'll be amazed at the transformation it can make to your vehicle. Now, new or used, we can help. Give us a call and we'll advise exactly what your vehicle needs. I'm James from Hadrian's, and thanks for watching.